Welcome back to another episode in our marketing research series. Today we're diving deep into the world of pricing research. If you ever wondered how brands set their prices or how they find that sweet spot where you think, yep, that's worth it, then this episode's for you. And hey, if you're enjoying our series, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Now let's roll. Have you ever strolled down an aisle, comparing two items in your hands, weighing the pros and cons, and then boom, the price becomes the deciding factor? That's precisely where pricing research comes into play. Think of it as the science behind those moments, the unsung hero guiding your choices. It's the quest to pinpoint that perfect, irresistible price. A price that makes sense for both you and the brand. Beyond just the numbers, it's about value perception. Are you getting bang for your buck? The core of pricing research is its focus on the customer's pulse. From gouging your spending limits to comparing our price tag with the rivals next door, we're always in detective mode. Identifying untapped audiences, predicting how price tweaks might lead to brand loyalty or sway purchasing decisions, all boil down to this intricate dance of pricing research. It's a blend of psychology, strategy, and of course, a bit of math. Picture a maze with its intricate pathways and tricky turns. That's the world of pricing for you. It's not merely about choosing a number and hoping it sticks. Every tag you see has hours of thought behind it. Consider the ingredients that go into that delicious cake you love, or the sophisticated technology in the latest smartphone. Then there's the brand story, the value it promises, and the experience it offers. We sift through layers of data understanding how customers like you perceive value. We also factor in the economic climate. Are times flush or frugal? And yes, keeping an eye on what our competitors are up to is essential. It's not just a number. It's the result of countless conversations, analysis, and reflections. So the next time you see a price tag, remember the labyrinth we navigated to get to that magic number. It's a blend of art, science, and, believe it or not, a sprinkle of emotion. Let's journey behind the scenes of the great pricing act. Think of us as detectives with magnifying glasses looking closely at clues and patterns. Conjoint analysis, for example, is like a game of mix and match, helping us understand what combination captures your heart. With Van Westendorp's PSM, it's like we're sitting down for coffee, hearing about the price you'd feel comfortable paying. Gabor Granger, it's like a CISO finding out how likely you are to buy as prices go up and down. We dive deep into the world of our rivals, learning and adapting from their strategies. And let's not forget our trusty calculators, always ensuring we strike a balance between value and viability. It's a blend of intuition, mathematics, and a dash of psychology to make sure we're hitting the mark just right for you. So there you have it. A behind-the-scenes look at the art and science of pricing research. Crafting the perfect price is a mix of understanding, experimenting, and constantly adapting. If you found this enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Join us next time as we unwrap the world of advertising research. Until then, keep those questions coming and stay curious.